A good day, everyone. So as I have promised that we are going to do, we'll be doing number 4. Since last time we were not able to finish up this exercise. Remember, it was exercise 4. So today we will be doing number 4, or doing some of the questions that I think they are a bit challenging. Okay, so now they say, okay, simplify as far as possible and leave your answer in positive exponential form. So we're going to leave our answer in an exponential form, but in that exponential form, the exponent should be positive. That's what they are trying to say. Okay, this one I think is easy. Let me rush to B. Let us do number B. 4B. So 4B goes like this. Okay, so 4B, 8 to the exponent x plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the exponent 1 minus x all over square root of 2 to the exponent 4 x minus 2, like this. So guys, this is how it is. Before we do anything, we are going to find the prime basis of that. We are going of 8, and we are also going to remove that root, right? Let's do that. And we know that the prime basis of 8, which is 2 to the exponent of 3, but then since there is another exponent, we're going to open a bracket, then we write x plus 1 multiplied by 2, 1 minus x all over. I'm going to write this 2, and as I've told you guys that it is going to be, I can either put it in a bracket form or not, it's too fine. And I said we assume that there's 1 and there's 2, so it's going to be 1 over 2. Here there's 1, there's 2. Remember, the numerator is this one, then this one becomes the denominator. It is all to the exponent what of 4x minus 2. Let us not forget. Then from there, let us try to remove the brackets. Remember, this 3 is multiplying this x and this 1 as well. So let us do that. So it's going to be 2. I write down my base down. It's going to be 3 times x, which is 3x. 3 times positive 1 is going to be positive 3. Multiplied by this one here. It's going to be multiplied by 2 to the exponent 1 minus x. I go down to remove the brackets. So from here, what I'm going to do, I know that this, okay, we have got 2 brackets. We've got this bracket and this bracket. So let us first remove this bracket. We know that there's 1 here. So this 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 is going to be 2, 1 over 2. Then I'll be left with the bigger bracket, which is x minus 4. Still removing the bracket, guys. It will be 2 to the exponent 3x plus 3 multiplied by 2 to the exponent 1 over x all over. Remember, this 1 over 2 is multiplying this 4x and negative 2. So let me write my base down. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over 2 multiplied by 4x. Make it a fraction, which is going to be 22 goes once, 24 goes 2 times, it's going to be 2x. So I'm going to write my 2x here minus, we know that we've got 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 2, like this. This 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into this one goes once, so 1 times 1 is going to be 1. But remember, there is a negative positive, but a negative is what? It's negative. So it's going to be a negative what? So it's going to be negative 1, like that. So from there, you can see that we have got the base here. We've got this. These bases are the same. What do? We collect. Can you see that we've got a base here and we've got a base on the other side? So what we're going to do, we're going to because we are multiplying and the bases are the same, we're going to add the exponents like that. Let us do that. So it's going to be 2. I'm going to write 2 down. So I'm going to say 3x minus x. I'm going to get 2x. Then since, okay, then I'm going to say 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. I divide it by 2x minus 1. The bases are the same and I'm dividing. What do I do to the exponent? I subtract the exponent. It's going to be like this. to be 2, I'm going to write this as it is. It's going to be 2x plus 4. Then from there, I'm going to apply a negative since there are more than two terms. I'll open a bracket, or it's x minus 1. It's x, sorry, this is x, guys. This is x. Then from there, I will be saying 2. I'll write x plus 4. Then it's going to be negative by a positive, it's going to be negative x, and negative by a negative, it's going to be plus 1. So from here, oh, by the way, guys, this is 2, there's 2x here. Alright, I made a mistake. Let's see. Yes, there's 2x here. We got 2x. Yes, there's 2x here. So it's 2 here. It's 2 here. Sorry. Right. So 2x minus 2x, this one, they will cancel. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's going to be 2, the exponent of what? Of 5. Which is going to be, let us take a calculator. Which is going to, oh, by the way, they said, I almost forgot. Simplify as far as possible and leave your answer in positive exponential form. So this is our final answer, guys. It is in a positive exponential form, as you can see. Okay. Then let us do another one. Okay, guys, so we can actually leave it in this form though, or let us just write like this. It's still fine at the same time, so it's gonna be 32 though. So it's still fine, but since they say leave it in a positive form, this was fine as well. Okay, so I think let us do another one, the one that is difficult as well. Remember, we're only dealing with difficult questions for at the moment. Let's see, is this C? Can C be a challenging to you guys? Let's see, C. This one is fine, and this one is okay. What about this one and this one? Should we do one of them? I think this one is not difficult. Otherwise, this one. Or let me just do all of them, by the way. Okay, so let's start with C. I've got 3 to the exponent 27. Oh, by the way, I've got a cube root 27 x to the exponent 6 plus a square root 81 to the exponent 4 x to the minus 4 256 x to the exponent 8, like this. Okay, so what we're going to do here, guys, we are going to make this one a fraction like this. We're also going to make this a fraction, also going to make this a fraction like this. After doing this, what we're going to do now, we're going to use that our definition rule, whereby we're going to assume that there's 1 here, assume that there's 1 there, assume that there's also 1 there. So we're going to write this 27 x to the exponent 6 like this. The numerator, which is 1 becomes the numerator, then this 3 becomes the denominator, plus 81 x to the exponent 4. This one becomes our numerator. Remember, if it is a square root like this, we know that there's 2 here. There's 2 here. Minus 256 x to the exponent 8. So assume that there's 1, so there's going to be 1 over 4, like this. So what we are going to do before any further calculation, we're going to change this into prime basis. So we've got 27 equals 2 shift, then fact. So it's going to be 3 to the exponent 3. It's going to be 3 to the exponent 3 x to the exponent x 1 over 3 plus 81 equals 2 shift, then fact. It's going to be 3 to the exponent 4. With 3 to the exponent 4 x to the exponent 4 1 over 2 minus, we have 256 equals 2 shift, then fact Now be 2 to the exponent 8. 2 to the exponent 8. Oh, sorry. 2 to the exponent 8. X to the power 8. To the exponent 1 over 4. Like this. So I'm going to write the base down. Then I'm going to say 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. And we know that this one and this one, it will cancel each other. I'll be left with 1. Then x. So I'm going to say 6 multiplied by 1 over 2 by 1 over 3. Then 3 into 6 goes how many times? Goes 2 times. That 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Plus, okay, let me do it in a piece of paper so that you can also see what I'm doing, guys. So I said 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 like this, whereby this one is a fraction, you make it a fraction. 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 6 is 2, then 2 times 1, which is 2, the one that I got there. So I'm gonna write down my base. I'm gonna say with this one, so let us start with this one. Now be 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. Then make the fraction as well. 22 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 times 1 is what? Is 2, so it's going to be 2 here. Then since we've got the exponent at the same, it's going to be 2 as well. Minus, it's going to be 8 multiplied by 1 over 4. So it's going to be 4 into 4 is 1, 4 into 8 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. So it's going to be 2 to the exponent 2, x to the exponent 2 as well, like this, guys. Okay, so from there it's gonna be 3 to the exponent 1 is 3x squared, plus 3 squared is 9x squared, minus 4 squared is 2 squared is 4x squared. You can see that these are the like terms. If they are the like terms, what do? We add the exponent. So it's gonna be 3 plus 9, that's 12, plus 4, that's 60. The 3 plus 9, that's 12. Then minus 4, that's 8. It's gonna be 8x squared, like this. So guys, this is our final answer. Simplifying, you see. So I think this was a bit challenging, though it was not that challenging. Okay, so let's try to do number E now. So we are going to do number E. This one here, I think it's a bit challenging as well. Let us do that one. Okay, but then it's not that it's not that difficult though. Okay, so it's E, ne? So it's open bracket, it 1 k negative 2 1 over 4 multiplied by k negative 1 into the exponent 1 over 2, like this, divided by, it's 81, divided by 27 k negative 4 to the exponent negative 1, like this. So here what we're going to do, I'm going to find the prime basis of 81 before I remove the brackets, and the prime basis of 27, so which we all know. So it's gonna be like this, 81. Or so this was the prime basis of 81, which was 3 to the exponent 4 k negative 2 all to the exponent 1 over 4 multiplied by the k 1 over 2, right, divided by, and the one for 27 was 3 to the power of 3 k to the exponent negative 1, like this. Now from there we can now remove our brackets. Okay, so this 4 multiply this negative 2 multiply that, we're gonna have 4 multiplied by 1 over 4, like this. You make it a fraction. 4 into 4 is 1. This 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is going to be 1. So it's going to be 3 to the exponent 1. Then we write our k. So for our k, we've got negative 2 multiplied by 1 over 4, like this. You make it a fraction. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 4 is 2. Then negative times positive, so it's going to be negative 1 over 2. So it's going to be negative 1 over 2. Multiplied by k negative 1 over 2, divided by 3 times negative 1 is going to be 3, it's going to be negative 3 k 1, it is 1 here, 1 times negative 1 is going to be negative 1, like this. Then from there we can see that we have got k, the bases are the same. What do? We add the exponent. Unfortunately, okay, let me see if I wrote correctly. 1 over 2. Okay, so remember, as I said, that we are going to add, we are multiplying, therefore going to add, so it's going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, that's basically going to be 0. So on top here it will cancel up, left with 3 all over 3 negative 3 k negative 1, and we need our exponents to be positive at all times. So I'm going to take this k up there. Okay, so okay, so it's going to be, and also can see that this base is for the negative exponent, this k for the negative exponent, so I'm going to take them on top, so it's going to be 3. When you take them on top, when there's another number, you are going to multiply them. It's going to be 3, it's going to be 3 squared multiplied by k 1. So as they go up, they will lose the negative, becomes positive, they lose the negative, becomes positive 1, like that. Then from there we know that 3 cubed is 27, so it's going to be 27 times this 3 times this k, which is going to be 27 times 3 is not 81, so it's going to be 81k. So this is our final answer, guys. This is how we simplify. I hope it's clear. Let's do the last one, the one that I think it's difficult, which is this one, the last one. Okay, let me take another paper. Okay, okay guys, so we're doing another one, right? Okay, it's so we'll be doing 4f now. So let's do 4f. Okay, just a minute, just a second, by the way. Okay, so we're doing f now. We're gonna be 4f. F code is open bracket square root of 8 multiplied by 2 negative 3 close bracket 4 all over 64 to the exponent negative 1 over 2, like this. To the exponent negative 1 over 2 is 2, guys, right? So before we do any calculations, we are going to remove this root. So it's going to be 8 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 negative 3 to the exponent 4 all over 64 to the exponent negative 1 over 2, like this. Then from there we are going to remove the bracket. Okay, yes, let us remove the bracket. It's going to be 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. This one into 2 into 2, it goes once, into 4 goes 2, so our answer is going to be 8 to the exponent 2, right? Then from there we go to 2, the base 2, so it's going to be negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12, divided by 64 to the exponent negative 1 over 2, right? So at this moment, guys, we are going to find the what is this, the prime basis of 8, which we know that the prime basis of 8 is going to be 2 to the exponent 3. Since there's this one, I'm going to open a bracket multiplied by 2 to the exponent negative 12, like that, to the exponent negative 12. Then 64 again, it's going to be 64. Okay, 64 equals to shift, then I go to fact, which is 2 to the exponent 6, 2 to the exponent 6. But since there's also another exponent in 1 over 2, I'm going to open a bracket like this. From there we remove a bracket, 2 times 3, which is 6, gonna be 2 as my base, then 6 multiplied by 2 negative 12, like this, divided by 6 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. I'm going to say 2 into 6 goes how many times? Goes 3 times. That 3 times negative 1, it's gonna be 2 negative 3, like this. Then from there we have the same basis. What do? We add the exponent, so it's gonna be 6 minus 12. Okay, so it's gonna be let me write it here. It's gonna be 2 as my base. 6 minus 12, which is negative 6, divided by 2 to the exponent negative 3, like this. So whenever we are dividing and the bases are the same, what we do to the exponent, we subtract the exponent. It's gonna be, we're going to take this 2, then it's gonna be negative 6 minus the negative 3, so that we won't be confused. Then a negative by a negative is going to be a positive, so negative 6 plus 3. Then negative 6 plus 3, which is going to be 2 negative 3. But they said our exponent should be positive, so I'm going to make it a fraction. Then I take it down there. It's gonna be, okay, so it's gonna be 1 over 2 square root of 3, which is simply going to be 1 over 8. So guys, this is how we simplify. Yes, this is how we simplify. I think from now we are done. Or we can actually do the last one, this one. Let us do the last one, which is number 5. Let us just close with this one, number 5 one. Without using a calculator, calculate this. So it's gonna be, so it's number 5. We have got a 4 to the exponent 3 over 2 plus 8 to the exponent 1 over 3 minus 0.5 to the exponent negative 2. So what is simply gonna do on this decimal, you're going to say 0.5 equals to on your calculator, then you're simply going to get 2. It's going to be 4 3 over 2 plus 8 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 to the exponent negative 2, like this, right? Then from there we're going to find the basis, the prime basis of 4 of 8 and of 8. You know that's gonna be 2 to the exponent 2. Since there's another exponent, open a bracket, plus then this one, the prime basis of 8 is gonna be 2 to the exponent 3, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 negative 2, like this. And now we remove the brackets, so it's gonna be this one. So it's gonna be 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, make the fraction, this one into this one, this one into this one, 1, this one into 2, then I'll be left with 3. It's gonna be 2 to the exponent 3 plus, sorry, this is plus, guys, plus this is gonna be 2, it's gonna be 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, so this one and this one will cancel, I'll be left with 1 minus, right, can you see now we have got a negative exponent, and there is a rule that says if you have got a fraction like this, we have got a fraction and there is a negative exponent, what we do, we interchange, or what we do, we invert, whereby what was on the denominator goes on the numerator, what was on the numerator goes on the denominator. So it's going to be 2 over 1. Immediately when we do that, it's going to lose its negative and becomes a positive. So this is simply going to be, okay, we're going to change this one, which is a 2 cubed, which is 8, plus 2 minus, so 2 divided by 2 divided by 1, which is simply 2, then squared. It's going to be 8 plus 2 minus 4, which is going to be 8 plus 2, which is 10, minus 4, which is going to be 6. So guys, this is how we simplify, and it is now simplified. So much appreciation for watching this video. I really appreciate, guys. Please keep on following me so that I keep on making videos like this. Thank you very much.